everybody, welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. I am so happy to be here. We got a beautiful spring wreath going on, and if you guys enjoy and like my videos, consider pressing that subscribe button, and you'll be notified of my next upcoming video, and you will be much thanks done that. With that said, let's get this video started. We are working with a 112-inch ribbon. We also working with some lilies, some different kind of lilies. We got some greenery. We got a little bit of white flower. We got some little wiring, 3 pieces. We got our scissors, wire cutters, pencil. We also got this cute little bee, which I'm going to show you how to adjust. First things first, let's get this ribbon on. Okay, I came up with some kind of technique. Okay, we're going to take this in here. We're going to put this through. Let's put it through the wreath. This one. Have a little tail now, and we are going to adjust this. And we are going to make a bow. How far is that down? We'll make a little tail, okay. Have a little tail hanging, and we're going to make like a 11-inch loop. We're going to bring the rest around. And we are going to make another 11-inch loop, about 11 inch, I think. Oh, yeah. We're going to make 2 of them. Look at that. How beautiful. See how, okay. And then we're going to get our little wiring. I got some wiring. We're going to get those in the back. And we are going to fasten the wire onto these 2 wires and get them pinned down like that. There we go. Look at that. We got some little hoops going on. Then we got the tail. What we're going to do is we're going to work this. This ribbon kind of has like a, what do you call it? Honeycomb design. That's why I'm putting the bee on there. Okay, and then we got this one going on here. We are going to do the same technique. Take this in there like this. With 2. And then we're going to take the other one. Let me push this under here because we're going to make another one on top. Take that in here like this. Then we're going to get another one right here. We're going to do the same technique. Let's see if they're even. Hey, don't look at you. Oh. Right there, we got those 2, and we're going to do the same technique. I'm going to pin this in there, like so. Right there, and then we're going to take this up here, work our way around, and I think we're going to have... Get this one in here. And that in here. La da da da. And the little ribbon right here, look. There we go. Okay, lift the rest and just make a little hoop, and we got another ribbon going on. Tie it right here. Should have been longer, but I think I made the other one longer. Here we go. There we got it. We got the little bow. Look at these little bows that we made here now. Okay, how is that looking, everybody? I think I should have made it a little bit longer to make this one, but the show must go on. Okay. Then we are working with these beauties. We're just gonna insert these in here, working with the ribbon also. Got that going. Now beautiful. And we're gonna get the rest of our items here. We got some florals, which I have to the side so I know what I'm working with. Got those, put them in here. We got some little white, little Get those going right in here. Oh, how gorgeous. Okay, now we're going to work on this side. We got some greenery right here. Let's work it in here this way. How's it looking, everybody? Leave a comment or thumbs up. I appreciate so much you guys' comments. I do. Here we go. Look at that, everybody. Wow. Okay, and then we're going to get some more lilies up in here. Look at this. To make it look springy, this is the place for the bee. We're going to put this bee up here. Got some more right here. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. We're going to get some whites right here. And how is that looking, everybody? Wow. Look at that. Got these little bows going on. Now let's get our bee going. Okay, I got this little metal piece from the famous $1.25 store. Okay, and then I bought some of this vinyl, glossy vinyl stuff, and I got it on top of there, and I just put this paper on like this and kind of felt, you know, where the outside was, and I colored it, drew it, then I cut it off, and I came out with these, and it's sticky paper, you know, look, comes off, then you just take this off, then I just had them and put them on there, and wow, look at what came. And I got this black mark, and I just put over there. In the back, I got a kaboodle stick, and I just did my glue, and there it is. We got that going. And with that said, let's get this little guy up here. This came out so cute. And there it is. I think we got it, everybody. Ooh, look at him. Okay, let me see. Can everybody see that good? Once again, step back and visualize and be creative and have fun making your beautiful item. Until next time, everybody, hope you enjoyed my video. We have more spring wreaths coming. Also some St. Patrick's gonna come in there. But look at how cute is that? The little ribbons and Mr. Honeybee. Look at. Wow. Until next video, everybody, happy spring and happy day. And let's get the smile going. Woo, thank you for watching. Like and share.